In this episode, we're on the road in one of the most congested cities in the country, which isn't always fun, but we stayed in a relaxing and quiet RV resort. And guess what? We got a surprise from a couple of celebrities. And we'll show you a little hidden gem of a location that has a beautiful walkway. Good morning. We're getting ready to go on a trip. We're going to go down to Houston to see the kids. And I'm loading up the truck. Oh, he's got it locked. Well, I didn't get very far. But anyway, we're going to go to the Houston area. And it will take, I think, about 4 hours. And we're going to stay at Rayford Crossing RV Resort. It's a really nice one. So we'll show you that when we get there. Do you guys do this? I always, before I leave to go on a short trip or a long trip, there are, I think, 3, maybe 4, we'll have to count, basic things that I always make sure that we have. It's Mark's billfold, my purse, our cell phones, and prescription medicine, because if you forget any of those, it is a hassle to replace it. So I don't know if you guys do that or not, but after I load everything, when we're leaving the driveway, I make sure we have those 4 things.
She does, you know.
I do. And do you have your billfold?
Now's not the time to be asking.
Well, we're on less than a mile.
You should have asked that.
Well, I typically do, but I was talking to them. So do you have your billfold?
Well, we'll find out, won't we?
Well, if he doesn't, you're going to hear about it. I have my purse, I have my phone, I'm talking on it, and I know I have my prescription medicine. Don't know about him.
And I have mine.
Okay, done. The very last thing that I get from the house is something that I have to use in the morning, so I can't load it early, and it's dear to my heart and important, not to Mark, but to me. It's my Keurig coffee pot that makes a latte, and it makes a pretty good latte. It foams, and I learned that if I use skim milk, which I know sounds weird, if I use skim milk, it really foams up. So I love it. I'll show you that later maybe. But this is what's important to me. And to Mark, because if I don't have my coffee, I'm a hard person to be around, he says. Tell me what this looks like. Whole lot of traffic. And I would not want to be that motorcycle rider.
Look at this, see?
Jeez.
Louise,
yep. We are down in the Houston area, which is worse, in our opinion, than the DFW area. See that student driver right there? I think it would be a great idea to have a big banner across the back of the bus and on the sides and even on the front that says student driver when I drive.
Or grandma driver.
Or what?
Grandma driver. That might scare them worse.
This is true. Or grandma driver. Might scare them worse. No, I think student driver would really get them.
I wish I knew if he's 2 lanes up here and turn left.
Yeah, I know. Rayford Crossing is minutes from the Woodlands, Houston, Spring, and Conroe, Texas. And it's also located less than 5 miles from top hospitals and medical centers. They offer daily, weekly, and extended stays. All the sites are extra long, extra wide, all concrete, and of course have full hookups. They have quite a few amenities. They have a pool, fitness center, stocked fishing pond, pet parks, billiards, ping pong, horseshoes, and of course a laundry facility, a barbecue pavilion and smokers, a bathhouse, and they have high-speed Wi-Fi, but I'm stuttering because it's one of those captive portals that, you know how those go. But anyway, I reviewed this park back in season 1, so I'll put a link to it right here. But please don't judge. My videography skills were really poor then. I've been thinking about this all morning. I don't know if I should be flattered or upset. Listen to this. I can't believe it. I can't believe it.
Today's celebration includes 16 equestrian groups, 24 marching bands, 34 floats, all representing this year's theme, the best day ever.
Well, we enjoyed it all. We had a fantastic time today. We hope you guys did too. All of these participants, the parade fans, helped make Colorado Boulevard the best day ever, so thank you.
Everybody who makes it possible for us to have the best day ever.
They're using our slogan, best day ever. I don't know what to say. Are we popular? I don't know. Did they steal it? I don't know. I guess I'm flattered. I'll be positive. I'm flattered. I know they don't know us, but it was kind of funny when I heard the theme for the Rose Bowl parade, and it was best day ever. So there you go. A double place you can find this wonderful slogan, best day ever. So do it. Good morning. We are getting ready to go to my brother-in-law and sister-in-law's house, and they live in the Woodlands. You got the keys? Oh, here's the keys.
I gotta put on my shoes and everything.
Oh, you gotta put your shoes on. Oh, okay.
Unless you want me to go barefooted.
No, I don't want you to go
Not
barefoot.
barefooted, but barefeeted.
Yeah, that wouldn't be good. We're staying at Rayford Crossing, and it's real close to their house, and it's a very nice park. We've stayed here probably 4, 5, 6 maybe times, and it's a beautiful morning. Oh, that's freaky. I was going the wrong way to get in the truck. I thought the truck was stolen. It's right here. That would have been bad. Very bad. I hope nothing like that's ever happened to you guys. Knock on wood, we've never had anything stolen at an RV park. Knock on wood, I know what happens, but we haven't yet. Put this, put the brake controller in the back, and we will be ready to go. Going into the Woodlands, and it is called the Woodlands. It's not just Woodlands. That's the proper name. When you mail a letter, you have to put the Woodlands, Texas. It's really pretty. There's, I think, 8 villages in the Woodlands, and they have all kind of amenities in the different villages. Some of them, you know, they'll have playground equipment, and then some tennis courts, swimming pools, bike paths, running paths, basketball courts, tennis courts, what else? I don't know what else. But each village has a set of amenities. You actually have to have a permit or the approval to have a tree cut down because they want it to be all natural, which I think is great, because here you are in the middle of a city and it looks like you're out in the country, and I love it. Do you love it? Yeah, I guess he loves it, but I really do like it.
It's kind of hard to find your way around if you're not from here, because there's really no street signs.
Oh, yeah, that's important about the street signs, and any kind of sign. once we get to some retail stores
2 lanes to turn left onto Woodlands Parkway.
or grocery stores, something like that, I'll try to find a sign. They can only, they're real short. They can't have tall signs. That's against the ordinance also. And like Mark said, there's very few signs because they don't want it polluted, cluttered with signs. But it is kind of hard to find your way because you don't realize that there's a whole big neighborhood behind this forest of trees.
Or businesses.
Yes, or businesses. Yeah, you'll go right past a gas station not knowing that it's there.
And left onto Woodlands Parkway.
Oh, and there's a golf course. I don't think I mentioned that.
There's
Pickleball.
There's a number of golf courses. I don't think we've missed a light yet. Except for maybe right here.
See, right over there, there's a Shell station sign.
Kind of McDonald's.
And then, further up, there's a McDonald's. But it's very, very low. And there's another sign, but I think that's a village sign.
And they'll be right behind those trees.
Yeah, the Shell station is just right there, but you can't see it.
You kind of have to
Oh, and
know.
over here, car wash, but you can't really see it.
You kind of have to know where you're going, or use a GPS.
Yeah, it's kind of hard because everything's hidden. It's almost like a scavenger hunt, trying to find where you are and find what you're looking for.
The Flintridge Drive.
And there's the car wash. There we are. Where are we going?
We are going to the Woodlands Waterway right now in the Woodlands, Texas.
But we're not going to get in the water.
No water.
No
but
water.
we can take the paddle boats.
I guess.
There are paddle
Oh.
boats down here too.
Sweet. Okay, here we go. Oh, I bet this is pretty at night, isn't it?
is. See, they've got everything lit up at night.
See, look at that. The journey is reward. A journey.
Yeah, but it doesn't say a boat ride.
It can be any kind of journey. Yes, I'm talking about me, I guess.
He is talking about that boat again.
Yeah, we'll go down here. Okay.
Not happening.
It's gonna happen.
Ride for free.
Hey, who are those people? Well, we're back. We're in the spot where we keep the bus. Mark's getting ready to hook it up, and then we're off for another trip. Have the best day ever. Do it.